Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend, and it's pretty easy to make. This is the niche right here, and the phrase is "They didn't burn witches, they burned women." And this could be a good opportunity or a good niche to get into. One, just because you're going to see it's very low in competition as of to date. But right now there's a lot of women reproductive rights going on. A lot of people are buying T-shirts in that niche. So the women's rights niche is very popular, and also we have Halloween coming up. So this could be a good niche coming up to get you some sales. And when we look on Amazon, we're going to see that there's only 41 results, so barely any competition. And I'm only seeing, I think, just 3 designs so far. So this one right here was uploaded on July 12th. So what is that? About 7 days ago, a week ago. It's already getting sales. There's another one right here that was uploaded at the beginning of July, the beginning of this month, so maybe like 2 weeks ago. It's already getting sales. There's a third one right here that was also uploaded at the beginning of the month. Let's see, anything else? I don't think I saw anything else. So, only three designs to compete with. That's nothing on Amazon. When we go to the trademark to see if this is safe, you can see I copied and pasted the phrase into test, and when I hit enter, you're going to see that nothing comes up. And when we look at the competition on some of the other websites, so they didn't burn witches, they burned women on Etsy, we're going to see 154 results, but I only saw one design right here. It actually has the popular now tag. And when I scroll down, I don't see anything else. Oh, here's one right here where it's on the back of the shirt. So I'm only seeing 2 phrases or 2 listings with that phrase. Now let's take a look at Redbubble. Redbubble, you'll see that looks like these ones are the same as the ones we saw in merch, but only, only 8 results. And when we look at TeePublic, they don't even, there isn't any results for this phrase. So this could be a good niche to get into. Get some designs up for it. Try and get creative. Don't do just like an exact copy. Maybe you could add some type of clip art. Where did they go? This is the wrong one. Maybe you can add some type of clip art that's related to witches, to women, to reproductive rights, to Halloween. Maybe use some different colors, maybe like some oranges or maybe some pinks. Try and think like Halloween colors. Try and think women reproductive rights colors. Try and think of some some clip art that you can use. Try and do something original. Don't do just an exact copy. But this could be a good niche to get into to get you some sales. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Click the bell so you get notified every time I come up with a new niche that's going to be trending or that is trending. And check out some of the services that I offer in the description. I'm doing SEO for Etsy listings. I'm doing Etsy shop audits on Fiverr. And then I have a couple courses as well on Skillshare, like in Redbubble, Etsy, Fiverr SEO, things like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, the links will be in the description. And thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.